Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn about the triangle sum theorem and why all the sums of all three interior or inside angles in a triangle always measure the same thing. And we're going to learn about this by making a discovery using different types of triangles. So if you're watching this, I want you to go ahead and get a sheet of paper and draw three big triangles. Draw them large enough where you'll be able to cut them in sections later. So I've already have mine on the screen, as you can see here. The next thing you're going to want to do is mark the inside corners of all of your triangles. So I'm going to do this using my highlighting tool, like so. I'm just going to mark them using three different colors. And I'm going to do that for all three of my triangles. Doesn't matter what order you mark them. I'm just marking them so I can visually see them when I cut them later. Or if you want, you can also number them, like maybe number them 1, 2, and 3, whatever works for you. So now that we've marked all of our triangles, you're going to cut those corners. Use your markings to cut the corners of the triangles. Make sure you keep the corners of each triangle together because you really don't want to mix them up. Now, the next thing you're going to do is for each of these groups of three corners, you're going to line them up where the corners are basically pointing at each other. So by the time you're done, you're going to have something that looks like this. I already have mine's cut and lined up, but basically each of the corners are going to be facing each other. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a little observation about all of them. So if you notice, what do you see? If you notice that for each of these triangle corners, when all three of them are lined up, they actually all make a straight line or angle. So if you notice, if you line them up all at the bottom, they all end up making a straight line. So the bottom of this makes a straight line. This may not be perfect straight line, but if you notice, they all kind of make a straight line. You can draw a straight line underneath all three of those triangles. Let me actually use my drawing tool to be a little more accurate. But if you could set a straight line right underneath all three of these corners. And how many degrees does a straight angle measure? That's right. It measures 180 degrees. So really that's what the triangle sum theorem is all about. For every triangle out there, if you add the measures of the three angles or corners together, their sum will always be 180 degrees. This theorem is very helpful if you need to find a missing interior angle measure in a triangle, or you need to solve a problem involving interior angles. I hope this little exploration helped you to better understand the triangle sum theorem.